If you're a girly looking to balance your hormones, reduce inflammation, and prevent migraine attacks, this easy sheet pan recipe is for you. This Dijon maple chicken is ready in just 30 minutes with built-in sides of roasted carrots and Brussels sprouts. Coated in a delicious sweet and savory maple Dijon sauce, it's topped off with pomegranate seeds. These are great for brain health, improving memory and cognition. A well-balanced meal, this meal is packed with protein and vegetables all in one, but is so easy to make. Don't forget to save this one for your next easy meal plan. Best of all, there is minimal cleanup with this recipe because everything cooks on one sheet pan. So all you have to do is throw away the parchment paper.